Hello, good morning guys. Kumusta tayong lahat? Ngayon ay day off na naman
Wow!
namin kaya gagala na naman kami dito sa bayan namin kasi gusto naming mag out of town kaso ang sama ng panahon. Medyo umuulan ngayong umaga kaya nag-decide kami na dito na lang. Pupunta na muna kami sa fish shop at si Gab nagre-request ng oxalato daw kasi mayroon silang oxalato sa school nila. Sabi niya nabili daw nung teacher niya sa pet shop. So subukan namin tumingin doon dahil gusto niyang makabili ng ganon. Gusto niya daw ng pet ng oxalato. Kaya guys, sasamahan niyo kami ngayong araw sa vlog namin. So by the way, I'm Gilbert guys. So please subscribe our channel, GC Videos in Australia guys. So pakisuportahan guys para marami pa tayong video na gagawin dito sa Australia. So ayan, see you guys! Go guys! So samahan nyo kami sa lamig at maulang umaga. Yan, medyo mahangin pa. So baka bumagyo. It's a miracle kung bumagyo dito sa Australia guys. Kasi dito sa Australia, walang bagyo.
That's right!
So minsan mahangin lang, ganun. So wala, tara. Moist. Yan, malapit lang kami sa pet shop guys. Mga 1 minute drive lang siguro. Yan, tingnan yung kalangitan guys. Maulap. Halos magti 3 weeks nang umuulan dito sa Australia guys. So masarap sanang magtanim ng palay na ngayon. Kung sa Pilipinas. Ayan, isang kanto lang yung bahay namin. Tapos, yun na yung pet shop. So, ayan yung Bunnings guys. Malapit lang kami sa Bunnings. Ito yung bilihan ng mga pang fishing, mga gamit pang trabaho, lahat-lahat nandyan. Ito naman yung pang school uniform, Mr. Embroidery. Yan, yung bilihan ng pet shop guys is tabi lang ng Bed R Us. Yung Bed R Us naman guys is yung bilihan ng mga sofa, mga furnitures, mga fridge, lahat ng gamit ng pangkusina, pambahay. Yan guys, Bed R Us. So yan, nasa pet shop na tayo. At bili na rin kami nung pagkakainin nung aming mga pets na fish. Yep. Oh, umuulan. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa pet shop. Yan. Mga pagkain ng mga pet. Mga nandito. Hello, Mike. Do you have oxalato? Do you have?
What are you doing?
Yeah, may I see? We will buy oxalato. That's oxalato. How much one fish, Mike?
78. So you got that one or the dark one over the back?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe this one. What's the food? Same as the fish? What's the food?
The food?
Yeah.
That and bloodworms.
Ah,
I feed them bloodworms.
bloodworms. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. And this one?
Yeah,
You
not
can
at the
make.
same time, just one or the other.
Yeah, maybe we'll get this one.
Mm-hmm.
Oxalato. Yeah, the filtration. We can mix this one to the fish or not?
When they're small, yeah.
Yeah.
When they get bigger, they'll eat your fish.
Yep. Yeah. Tayo na aquarium. So this one is still not eating fish. Still cannot eat
You can
fish.
put fish in with him at the moment.
Yeah, but if when you big, yeah,
He'll get this big
yeah,
and he'll eat your fish.
yeah. Oh, not good then. Oh, good.
They need a tank this way, not this way. Because
Yeah.
they don't need a lot of water, they need a lot of space.
Ah. What you want? You wanna buy that one or
Have you got a tank set up or anything yet?
not yet? We have a
Don't buy that until
yeah.
you set up.
We have fish tank. Yeah. Maybe we will come back. We'll just yeah. We will sort first the tank.
Yep.
Do you have tank?
Depends how much you want to spend. Got to be a good size. That's the same as that.
Yeah, this
In
with
a
this
smaller
one.
version,
How much would be this one?
490.
Yeah.
That's got all your filter and everything.
And everything. Yeah. Yeah.
Just have this lady over here while you-
Yep. No worries, mate. Thank you. Yan. May malalaking fish din sila, guys. Oh. Ayan. Cute, oh. Yun. Ganito yung fish shop dito sa Australia, guys. Yan. So, yan, guys. Daming kasing fish yan. Yan. Yan, ito mga goldfish, oh. Wow. Yan. Merong oxalato, guys, para kay Gab, kaso wala kaming malaking aquarium. Direct yung mga plants sa loob ng aquarium. So, yung mga display o mga lalagay mo sa loob ng fish tank mo. Yan. Mga heater naman ito. Yan. Mga iba't ibang klaseng filter. Ayan. Kung gusto mo lagyan ng dinosaur, o ito yung fish tank mo, mga ice cream, mga ito. Ayan. Ayan. Kompleto sila dito, guys. Ayan. Yeah, you can buy if you want. Ayan. Mga iba't ibang klaseng fish tank naman ito, guys. Ayan. Pero nagaganda ng mga ganda ng mga lalaking fish. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Pag-isipan muna namin yun kasi wala kaming fish tank. Kailangan daw pala yung malaking fish tank ng Oxalato. So, pag-isipan namin, siguro kung may fish tank na kami, isa-surprise namin si Gab sa kanyang pet na request na Oxalato.
An eternity later.
Tingin kami kanina ng fish tank na available sa marketplace kasi doon kami makakamura. So may nakita kami at kinuha na namin siya. So sabi niya mag-meet up time namin is 3:30. So ayan, nakuha na namin. And then balikan na namin yung Oxalato sa pet shop. So yung nabili naming fish tank, guys, is kailangan linisan. Kasi napabayaan yung dati may-ari, yun ang pinagkuhanan namin. Sabi niya, wala na daw siyang time na maglinis. Kaya bininta na niya, saka hindi niya daw talagang kwan na mag-alaga ng fish kasi busy daw siya. Wala siyang time magpakain at maglinis ng fish tank. So yan, kaya nakuha namin ng murang fish tank, $50 only. So mura na yon sa laki ng tank na sa size ng tank. So ayan, let's go to the pet shop, guys.
Excited? Where are you? Are you excited?
Yes.
Ooh, where are we going?
To the pet shop to buy oxalot.
You're not hungry? Oh, wow, thank you.
But you want the baby.
Oxy.
I want to name it
Onyx.
Yeah.
Let's find the oxalotl.
Oh
I
man.
want to name it Onyx.
Where's the oxalado?
This is aquarium.
Yeah, we will buy the oxalado.
No, this is a small.
No, that's big.
Hello, mate. We will get the oxalado.
Oh, no, Mommy.
Are you excited? Oh no. Oh man.
Oh, there's
Like
The bigger one.
the one. Ooh, are you excited?
Yeah, I want axolotl. Axolotl.
How big if the oxalado will grow? How big? Show me.
Today, for
And get this
his
one.
birthday, Onyx.
Here's the poop.
The axolotl.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the axolotl. There's also more. Oh my goodness.
Wow. Hi, oxalado. Seems like a gecko.
But he's living in water.
Ah.
But we look like a salamander. But some salamanders live underwater like axolotl.
Yeah. Hi, oxalado.
It's a new pet, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're super cute. I've never seen an axolotl before.
Hey, which one was it? The lighter one?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna capture him! Catch him! Catch him now!
Uy, kuya.
Quiet.
Ooh,
It's
ooh, ooh, ooh.
oh. No, it's hiding.
Uh-oh, it's hard to catch the axolotl.
Get it. Come on, get it. Yes. Oxalado.
Hey!
Wow. Finally, we got the oxalado.
It's very cute! I want to, what do you want to name it?
Gabi.
Oh, I don't want that. We finally got the axolotl.
So, ayun guys, nasa bahay na kami. So, nakakabili na kami ng oxalado. So, ngayon, lilinisan ko ngayon yung fish tank na nabili namin. So, ayan. Ito yung fish tank, guys. Ito yung fish tank. Maglilinis tayo. Diba? Dumi. Itong mga sand niya. Yan ang disenyo. Para maganda tingnan, guys. Ayan, guys. Disenyoan natin ng mga mushroom daw. Itong mga to.
Mushroom nga eh.
Ayan. Red mushroom, yellow mushroom. Oh, yun, no? Tumubo na yung mga mushroom, guys. Okay, set up na natin yung filter niya. So, nilagay ko na pala dito sa loob. Nandito na siya sa loob. Tapos, ayan. Pinunasan ko na siya. Dry na rin siya. Tapos, i-install na natin yung filter. Tapos, lagyan na natin ng tubig. Tubig. Yan. Ayan.
Ready?
Guys, halos okay na tong tubig niya. So, ayan yung loob niya. Ayan, ang look ng loob niya. Simple lang, simpleng disenyo lang guys. Gusto na siya, pakawalan na natin yung oxalato natin. Ayan. So, yan, pakawalan na natin.
Daddy?
Yeah, are you ready, oxalato?
I'm in the new
Wow!
I'm in the new
A
home.
bit excited.
Hey.
Guys, okay na yung oxalato natin. Natutulog na siya.
Oh, I can see him.
Hey.
Onyx! Onyx! What are you doing to your new home?
Yan na guys, yung fish tank natin. Oxalato tank pala. Yan si oxalato. Ayan. Yan si oxalato. Oxalato natutulog na. Yun guys. Ayun guys, nabuo na natin, nalinisan na natin at na-set up na natin yung oxalato ni Gabi. So, come on Gabi. Come here. What you wanna say? Come on. What you wanna say to the video?
You're so pretty, Onyx. And he's super beautiful. And he's handsome. And I will name him Onyx.
What do you wanna say with mommy and daddy?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Please subscribe my channel. GC Videos in Australia.
Bye bye guys.
Bye-bye.